What's up, guys? This video I'm going to talk about what platforms are best right now as of today, as of November 22nd, 2019. These platforms right now are the platforms that you need to be on if you're a content creator or a Twitch streamer or a YouTuber, just to get the organic reach. If you don't have the money, these platforms are good. If you do have money, you'll be a lot better off like using ads, because you're gonna get a hell lot more people. But the organic reach right now is insane. Stay tuned. These are the top 10 platforms that you should be on if you are a Twitch streamer, YouTuber, content creator, or anything like that. So the number one platform that I would really recommend as of right now is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a platform that has enormous organic reach, like insane. So you type a post like, this is what you do to grow your Twitch, or this is what you do to get seen on Twitch, or this is what I'm doing today, and you use a couple hashtags like Twitch or daily vlog, or I don't fucking know, anything, whatever the fuck you're doing, you're gonna get a lot of views on it, and people are gonna connect with you. And the people that do connect with you, you gotta message them and thank them for following you and stuff. You have to build a relationship, you have to make friends, you have to talk to them. What you gotta do is just be kind to these guys, and just go and talk about what your goals are and try to build relationships. Figure out what the other person is doing, figure out what they like, and maybe you'll have the same interests. If somebody has the same interests as you and you guys are playing the same games, invite them into your stream. Make a stream with them. Make something happen. Build a relationship and really get to know the other person. Pretend this person's your best fucking friend, and you've known this person for fucking 20 years, right? Imagine this person is the love of your life. I don't fucking know, but for real, if you really wanted to make it in Twitch, you have to make everybody your friend. You have to make everybody feel welcome. You have to make everybody feel like they're a part of you, a part of your community, a part of your stream, a part of whatever you're doing, you have to make them feel safe. If they don't feel safe or trustful of you, then expect not to grow. You have to be able to talk to people. You have to be able to, open up to who you are to the outside world. You have to be able to open up. You can't just sit there and be all quiet and shit. You have to talk. You have to do things. So if you're doing a Twitch stream and you're playing fucking Fortnite or Apex. I don't play Fortnite, but I play Apex. And somebody comes in, you should try to see what that person likes. You have to ask them questions rather than asking you questions. Imagine going into a taxi, and when you're inside that taxi and that driver isn't talking to you, you feel kind of weird and kind of standoffish, and you just feel kind of awkward. But when somebody is talking to you and making you feel a part of the vehicle, and welcomed, and asking you questions to get to know you, and building that bond with you, then you feel more safe, and you feel more welcome, and you feel more comfortable. And that's what you got to do with Twitch. It's just common sense. It's really common sense. You should make content every single day about what you are doing, or what your day is like. Document your day pretty much. Today, what I did today was I sat here all day because I didn't have anywhere to drive. So for those of you who do not know, I'm a truck driver and I work for Swift Transportation, and I travel all over the United States delivering loads. And unlike my downtime and, you know, at nights, I hop on the stream and just have a good time and relax and stuff. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love the driving. I love driving and traveling and showing you guys like all sorts of stuff that I'm doing. I'm gonna start like doing like hardcore stuff on that too, on like the vlogging side instead of like the valuable side, because I want you guys to know like who I am, what I do and stuff like that. But I want to do like YouTube, and I want to grow my Twitch stream, and I want to do a lot of things, and I want to help people grow, and there's so many things that I like doing, and this is what's happening right now. Like maybe in the future I might stop truck driving and, I don't know, go full on YouTube, or I might stay truck driving and do full on YouTube, you know, like I'm pretty much am doing that now. But if I do get bigger, or when I do get bigger on YouTube and like social media and stuff, and start making a living off of it, then I'll start, I don't know, making up my mind then. But as of right now, I love trucking and I love traveling and stuff like that. So right now, LinkedIn has very good organic reach. So the next platform is TikTok. TikTok is amazing. Like the amount of people that are on the platform right now is insane. Like if you post something and use a couple trending hashtags, like the little icons that have like the flame and the thumbs up, then you have huge potential to, you know, scale your shit. Like last month I went to I was driving up, and I was driving through Nevada, and there was this little gas station area and like a lot where I could like park the truck. And on the outside there was two mannequin guys like acting like they were working, and there was a button that I had to push to like make them work. It's like push me to watch me work or whatever, right? So I pushed the button, but I made it a TikTok. So I had my camera out and I started to push the button, and then I pointed it at like those two mannequin guys, and then they weren't even like doing anything, right? Like they weren't like moving or doing anything. And then I turned off the TikTok and just posted the video just like that. And dude, it got over 300k views. Like, you know how much fucking, like, dude, that's crazy. You know how much potential you have on TikTok right now and LinkedIn and shit? Like, you have to find where people are and execute on posting content on those platforms. Like, that's what is happening right now on TikTok and LinkedIn. Twitter is a really good one too, because it tells you which hashtags are trending. So like I usually go through the hashtags and see what trending hashtags are most relevant to my content or whatever I post, and then I post it. And then you have more potential if you actually like put in the work and like study the platform, and like, you know, every single post that you post, you have to make sure that the hashtag that you're using is relevant. If it's not relevant, then you probably won't get as many people, but if it's relevant to what you're posting, then you're gonna get a lot more potential and a lot more reach because it's relevant. It just makes sense. So those are the 3 platforms that I have right now. I'm gonna make another YouTube video because I don't want this video to get too long. I know I said 10, but I'm just gonna go with 3 right now because those are the 3 that are really on my mind right now and I'm going hardcore at. So if you see me on Twitter, TikTok, and LinkedIn right now, and you just see me posting like crazy, that's why, because there's so many people seeing it and it's giving me so much exposure right now. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated on all these platforms that are working the best right now. Instagram's okay. Instagram's not the best, but it's a good place to build relationships and engage. Let me give you one more tip for a valuable cause right now before I end the video. So one thing that you really need to do, like what I do, and it's really working for me right now, is if you go on Instagram or TikTok or Twitter and you use the search bar at the top and you type in Twitch streamer or Twitch gamer or Twitch 2019, and you like and comment every single post that pops up, and every single person that follows you or likes your post or retweets your post, thank them and build a relationship with them and get to know that person. It will really help you guys, I promise. So if you guys have any questions for me, leave down in the comments below. I love to make more videos and elaborate on more things if you guys have any questions on it. So let me know, and see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you.